Uy, bayad daw.
Ay, hindi. Ako na.
Hindi, ako na. Okay lang. Thank you.
Sige po. Talaga, nakakaya naman sa'yo. Palagi mo na ako nililibre.
Okay lang yung lazy, no? Ganun talaga kapag naguluyo, di ba?
Sus! Paka-gentleman mo naman. Thank you, ah.
Oh, teka, lazy. Sorry. Malapit na ba?
Asa ka pa?
Lazy!
Ayan, iho. Uwi na kami. Sasabay ka ba, iho?
Hindi, lola ko na eh. Mauna na po kayo. Susunod na lang ako. Bye! Bye, Lola! Bye, Teacher Lee! Bye! Lazy! Ito ba yung narinig ko? Hindi ba ako nananaginip? Sinagot mo na ako?
Oo, ang kulit mo kasi.
Yes! 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 Oh! Okay, hi, I'm June, the man on the moon. I live on the beach, get your sand at the shoes. And all of that changed since I met you. So we could leave the old in the restroom. Okay, I'm into you, like you never knew. I'm falling for you, baby, I need a parachute. So wet, I need a wetsuit. You're way too fly, I could be a jet fuel. Now tell me what you like, I like what you tell me. And if you understand me, then you can overwhelm me. It's too late, every finish line is the beginning of a new race. Young money, money, money.
You got me and I could not defend it. I tried but I had to surrender. Your style got me under the spell and left me no other choice but to get down. It's too late, it's too late, it's too late, it's too late. You got it, you got it, you got it, you got it. When I look into your eyes, it's over. You got me hooked with your love controller. I'm tripping. I feel like it like a four-leaf clover. I'm into you, I'm into you, I'm into you, yeah. I'm into you, I'm into you, I'm into you, yeah.
Yung mga gusto ko po sa birthday ko, para hindi po sila malito.
Wow, talaga. Dito ka.
Yung magkaka-parents.
Okay nga naman yun para, di ba, pagka nagkagano sila, wala magkakapareha.
Tama. Ilagay mo dyan, magpabili ka. Yan. Ilagay mo building. Yan. Yan, maganda yan.
Pinagdidikta mo.
iPad, lagay mo dyan. Sports car.
Ano yan? Ano pinagdidikta mo, ha?
Sus Mariosep, kayang-kaya niyang bilhin lahat yan. Kung ito nga ngalalay, kayang-kaya akong sustentuhan eh. Yun lang.